Hey, what's up all? So if you like cooking and you're used to using natural gas or just hate electric because it's uneven, things are always stuck to the surface, it's a pain to clean, you're gonna wanna check this out. So recently we moved to a new house where we have the option for propane, but with the house came an electric, and I said, you know what, we're gonna upgrade to one of these induction stoves. So we did, and this is the Frigidaire Gallery induction stove that also has air fryer built in. And let me tell you, going from someone that has always cooked, or almost always have cooked with gas and loved it, this thing is awesome. I totally love it. Now we have a small little induction cooker, and I love that. And that's why I was like, you know what, I'm probably gonna like this too. So let me show you real quick. Frigidaire offers two versions of this, one where there's the back on it with the controls, or this one here where it's totally flat. And you can see the color here, so it's got the stainless steel, relatively easy to clean. Just got to clean it up a little bit better, but things really do not stick to it. Now it will say that the surface is hot when it's cooling down, but honestly you could touch it and it's still not super hot, not like those electric tops. Cleanup is easy. You can get a spray where it's easy to clean, and it is great. Now this oven here has a really awesome feature. Not only does it have air fryer, which has been awesome, not as quick as the smaller air fryers, but still really good, but it also has this quick preheat option, and this thing will get up to heat, like if you do 350, in only a few minutes. Boiling water on here is awesome. I mean, you really can't ask for anything more. And like I said, I am so used to cooking with gas that I don't even know if I would go back if I had the option. Like if I wanted to switch over to propane, I don't think I would, because I really love this. Now the oven is plenty big here, so you can see that, all the different racks. Again, with the air fry, you can do things like broil, and then at the bottom you do have the pull-out tray here, which is either a warmer, or you can keep your different trays in there, depending on what people say. But overall, so if you're looking for any type of new stove, looking to upgrade, check out this Frigidaire Gallery induction stove. This is by far my favorite stove to date. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and I will see you in my next video.